I hope you have installed iOS 15 and you have a great experience of using it. However, there are some settings you should change to enhance your iPhone using experience, run iOS 15 smoothly, and the most important, to save battery life. Want to know them all? Then watch this video till the end. Hello all, I am Nikhil from iGeeks blog, and today in this video I'll share a list of settings that you should change right after installing the iOS 15, and the first on the list is notifications. So head over to settings, select notifications, and you will notice a new option over here, and it is schedule summary. Just toggle it on. Now decide the schedule when you want all the notification summaries. So basically this is a feature to avoid distraction from application notification, and that are not important too, but it's fine to check them all in our free time. Once decided, now let's select the app to add them in a notification summary. If not, then let it show the immediate notification from the important apps. Another set to change in notification is to let Siri read out them out. Activate the announce notification. Now whenever you connect your iPhone to CarPlay, Siri will read out the notification for messages or for selected applications. Something really cool feature in iOS 15 to focus and fine-tune it more. Apple also altered Do Not Disturb to a different set of focus modes. In iOS 15, D&D is replaced with the focus modes and added personal, work and sleep as suggested focus modes. But we can create our own customized focus mode by tapping on this plus sign. Pick an option from driving, fitness, gaming, mindfulness, reading, or tap on the custom button to create new focus mode. You might know that focus mode is completely different than D&D. If not, then let me tell you the difference. In D&D, it silences all the calls except favorite contacts and silence all app notifications. But in focus mode, we got some freedom here. Now we can pick the contacts to get calls and messages from them, and apps to notify us that we don't want to miss out. Also, we can select which home screen we need to keep active while we turn on that specific focus mode. So I recommend, if you have upgraded to iOS 15 and want to stay focused, that too without missing any important call or a notification, you should set up focus mode according to your need. It's a great, and I must say, I am addicted to it, and that helps me to stay out focused, to think and make such great content for you guys just like this. So don't forget to hit that thumbs up button below and share your love and support to my YouTube channel and me. Moving to the next setting is about accessibility. Once Apple released the beta version of iOS 15, one great feature, back tap, got too much attention. Now we can set gesture of a back tap for selective actions for double and triple tap. Varieties of options are available from app switcher to zoom action, scroll gesture, or run a selective Siri shortcut that you have installed on your iPhone. Pick the wise option to take quick action. Next is background sound, to mask unwanted environmental noise. This sound can minimize distraction and help you to stay focused and to be calm or rest. And select the sound from the list of 7 different music. You can also access this feature from the control center under hearing menu. The next feature is really interesting for the user who love dark mode but get disappointments when some applications do not support the dark mode, like Amazon. Not to worry, this new pre-app settings feature in iOS 15 will help you out. Add an app that does not have a dark mode but you want to have it. Now head over to more settings and turn on smart invert. Basically, it is not a completely dark mode, but yes, it feels good to have it before apps like Amazon introduced in the year 2022. One more accessibility settings to change the text font size for individual app. I like this setting, and that helped me to get better readability. Navigate to settings, select control center, and over here add text size. Now open any application and from the control center select text size and adjust the font size for that individual app. It's like iOS 15 brought us some good changes and offer us some great customization that has never been there in the previous version of iOS, and that too applies in the privacy settings. iOS 15 introduced a new feature of record app activity in privacy settings. This will save a 7-day history of any application that have tracked your location or used microphone. We can only export the data files of this activity and view it on a Mac. However, Apple will bring dashboard kind of stuff over here and show the data right in the settings. A few settings I recommend to save the battery juice of your iPhone. Under the location services, head over to system services and toggle off the switch next to compass calibration, device management, HomeKit, location based alert and suggestions, motion calibration and distance, network and wireless, setting time zones, share my location, system customization, and Wi-Fi calling. Turning these settings off will not impact the app performance, it will just disable all the time used location services. Just make sure to keep location service active for Find My iPhone, to locate your iPhone if you lost it, and mobile network search for better network connectivity. When I installed iOS 15 on my iPhone, the first setting I changed was to save battery juice, which really helped me. And few more settings like few more features from iCloud Plus helped me to protect my privacy, and I guess you should protect your privacy too. I am talking about the private relay, which is in a beta for now. Just turn it on and under IP address location settings, pick the Wise option. I usually keep settings to use country and time zone, which uses a broader location for my IP address and avoids showing more localized ads while I'm browsing. Next is hide my email to keep our personal email address private by creating a unique and a random email address while signing up in an app or a web app. Right here we can create new address and give a label and use it to sign up privately to protect our privacy. And all the emails will be forwarded to our original email address. We can also deactivate the forwards from that individual app or from that random email address to our original email ID. One more setting to change for mail, and that is privacy protection. Toggle this on and it will hide your IP and your mail activity like opening an email, link tab that runs in the background and share the data with mail trackers. In iOS 15, Safari got redesigned and the address bar has been moved to the bottom. Many of us are used to with the top address bar and we didn't accept this change, but I really liked it, and just in 2 weeks I got used to it. Just in a case, if you don't like it, you can move it to the top side of the screen. Tap on the AA icon and pick the option to show the top address bar. Another way is to head over to settings, Safari. Over here, select single tab to keep the tab bar at the top. So this was it, and changing these settings will surely help you to enhance your iPhone using experience, run iOS 15 smoothly, and of course will help you to save battery life. And along with that, I would like to shout out from my iGeeks blog app. Do download that from the App Store. And I hope you like this video too. If yes, then do subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on all the notifications to never miss such great content from me. Now allow me to say goodbye. I am Nikhil signing off. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay connected.